Hello everyone, and welcome to another brand new episode on my channel, Bohemian Book Club. Today I'll be talking about the book, Stop Waiting, Start Doing, A Guide to Overcoming Procrastination, a comprehensive guide designed to help you break free from the shackles of procrastination and unlock your full potential. Procrastination is a challenge that almost everyone faces at some point in their lives. It's that nagging tendency to delay important tasks, putting them off until tomorrow, next week, or even indefinitely. This book is here to change that. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to manage our time effectively and stay productive is more crucial than ever. Yet, despite our best intentions, we often find ourselves succumbing to distractions, losing focus, and avoiding tasks that require our immediate attention. The result is not just a backlog of uncompleted tasks, but also a significant amount of stress, anxiety, and frustration. Procrastination isn't just a simple act of delaying. It's a complex behavior rooted in various psychological, emotional, and environmental factors. Understanding the underlying reasons why we procrastinate is the first step toward overcoming it. This book will delve into the science of procrastination, exploring the mental barriers and emotional triggers that lead us to postpone our responsibilities. But understanding procrastination is only part of the solution. The real challenge lies in taking actionable steps to counteract this habit. Stop Waiting, Start Doing provides practical strategies and tools to help you transform your approach to tasks and time management. Whether you're a student struggling with deadlines, a professional juggling multiple projects, or someone trying to manage personal responsibilities, this book offers insights and techniques tailored to various scenarios and lifestyles. You'll learn how to set clear and achievable goals, manage your time effectively, and build a productive environment. We'll explore methods to boost your motivation, enhance your self-discipline, and develop healthy habits that support long-term productivity. Each chapter is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to tackle procrastination head-on. In addition to practical advice, this book emphasizes the importance of self-compassion and understanding. Procrastination is often accompanied by feelings of guilt and self-criticism, which can further hinder our progress. By adopting a positive mindset and forgiving ourselves for past procrastination, we can create a more supportive and encouraging environment for personal growth. Embarking on this journey to overcome procrastination is not just about becoming more productive, it's about reclaiming control over your life and time. It's about reducing stress, achieving your goals, and feeling more fulfilled in your daily activities. By the end of this book, you will have a robust toolkit to help you stop waiting and start doing, paving the way for a more focused, efficient, and satisfying life. Before moving ahead, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Part 1: Definition and Types of Procrastination. Procrastination is a common human behavior, characterized by the voluntary delay of an intended course of action, despite anticipating negative consequences. Essentially, it is the act of putting off tasks that need to be accomplished, often opting for more pleasurable or easier activities instead. While everyone procrastinates to some extent, chronic procrastination can lead to significant issues in both personal and professional life, impacting productivity, mental health, and overall well-being. Procrastination is derived from the Latin verb procrastinare, meaning to put off until tomorrow. It is the habitual avoidance of tasks that need immediate attention, often through unnecessary delay. This behavior can manifest in various forms, such as postponing work-related duties, delaying household chores, or even putting off self-care activities. Despite knowing that these delays may lead to stress, anxiety, or other negative outcomes, individuals continue to procrastinate, often caught in a cycle of guilt and avoidance. Types of procrastination. Procrastination can be categorized into several types, each with its own underlying causes and characteristics. Understanding these types can help individuals identify their specific procrastination patterns and develop effective strategies to overcome them. Number 1. Perfectionist procrastination. Perfectionists delay tasks because they fear not being able to complete them perfectly. The high standards they set for themselves create anxiety and fear of failure, leading them to postpone starting or finishing tasks. Example: a student avoids working on a paper because he fears it won't meet his high standards of quality. Number 2. Avoidant procrastination. This type involves delaying tasks to avoid feelings of discomfort, anxiety, or fear. Avoidant procrastinators often shy away from tasks that they perceive as difficult or unpleasant. Example: an employee avoids making a difficult phone call because they fear confrontation or rejection. Number 3. Decisional procrastination. Decisional procrastinators delay making decisions, often due to fear of making the wrong choice or being overwhelmed by too many options. This indecision can lead to missed opportunities and increased stress. Example: a person spends weeks deliberating over which job offer to accept, fearing that they might choose the wrong one. Number 4. Arousal procrastination. Also known as thrill-seeking procrastination, arousal procrastinators delay tasks until the last minute, relying on the pressure of a looming deadline to motivate them. They thrive on the adrenaline rush of working under pressure. Example: a journalist waits until the night before the deadline to start writing an article, enjoying the thrill of racing against the clock. Number 5. Chronic procrastination. This type of procrastination is a persistent and pervasive pattern that affects multiple areas of a person's life. Chronic procrastinators consistently delay tasks, leading to significant negative consequences over time. Example: a person consistently postpones important tasks at work, at home, and in their personal life, resulting in ongoing stress and underachievement. Number 6. Hedonistic procrastination. Hedonistic procrastinators prioritize activities that provide immediate pleasure and gratification over tasks that require effort, but have long-term benefits. This type is often driven by a desire to avoid discomfort and seek instant enjoyment. Example: someone chooses to watch TV or play video games instead of studying for an upcoming exam. Understanding the various types of procrastination is crucial for addressing this behavior effectively. By recognizing the specific patterns and underlying causes of their procrastination, individuals can develop targeted strategies to overcome it, leading to improved productivity, reduced stress, and enhanced overall well-being. Part 2. The science behind procrastination. Procrastination is a universal human behavior, often characterized by the irrational delay of tasks, despite knowing the negative consequences. To effectively combat procrastination, it is essential to understand the science behind it, the intricate interplay of psychological, neurological, and emotional factors that drive us to put off what needs to be done. At the core of procrastination lies a battle between two parts of the brain, the limbic system and the prefrontal cortex. The limbic system, one of the brain's oldest and most dominant areas, is responsible for our emotional responses and instant gratification desires. It drives us to seek pleasure and avoid discomfort, which often leads to the temptation of easy and enjoyable activities over more challenging or tedious tasks. In contrast, the prefrontal cortex, a more recently evolved part of the brain, is involved in planning, decision-making, and impulse control. It helps us to think rationally, consider long-term consequences, and exercise self-discipline. However, the prefrontal cortex is not as dominant as the limbic system, making it challenging to override the desire for immediate gratification. When faced with a task, the limbic system's craving for immediate pleasure often overpowers the prefrontal cortex's rational planning. This internal tug-of-war results in the deferral of important activities in favor of short-term enjoyment, leading to procrastination. Psychological factors. Several psychological factors contribute to procrastination. Understanding these can help us identify the root causes of our procrastination habits. Number 1. Fear of failure. The fear of not meeting expectations or failing at a task can be paralyzing. To protect ourselves from potential disappointment and self-criticism, we delay starting the task altogether. Number 2. Perfectionism. Perfectionists set excessively high standards for themselves. The fear that their work will not be perfect can lead to avoidance and procrastination as they wait for the perfect moment to start. Number 3. Lack of motivation. Motivation is a key driver in task completion. When we lack intrinsic or extrinsic motivation, our desire to start and complete a task diminishes, leading to procrastination. Number 4. Task aversion. When tasks are perceived as boring, difficult, or unpleasant, we are more likely to avoid them. The aversion creates a mental block, making it easier to delay the task in favor of more enjoyable activities. Emotional factors. Number 1. Anxiety and stress. High levels of anxiety and stress about a task can lead to avoidance. The anticipation of discomfort makes us more likely to procrastinate as a way to temporarily alleviate these feelings. Number 2. Low self-esteem. Individuals with low self-esteem may doubt their abilities and fear judgment. This self-doubt can result in procrastination as a means to protect their self-worth. Temporal discounting. Temporal discounting is the tendency to devalue rewards and consequences that occur in the future, compared to those that are immediate. When we procrastinate, we prioritize short-term rewards over long-term benefits, even if the long-term rewards are significantly greater. This cognitive bias explains why we often choose immediate gratification, like watching TV or browsing social media, over completing a task that has future rewards, such as career advancement or academic success. Procrastination as a coping mechanism. Procrastination can also be viewed as a coping mechanism. When faced with overwhelming tasks or decisions, procrastinating provides temporary relief from stress and anxiety. This avoidance strategy, while providing short-term comfort, often leads to increased stress and guilt in the long run. The role of habit formation. Habits are powerful drivers of behavior, and procrastination can become a deeply ingrained habit. Repeatedly delaying tasks reinforces the habit, making it more difficult to break over time. Understanding the habit loop, cue, routine, and reward can help in developing strategies to break the cycle of procrastination. The science behind procrastination is multifaceted, involving a complex interplay of neurological, psychological, and emotional factors. By understanding these underlying mechanisms, we can develop targeted strategies to combat procrastination and foster a more productive, fulfilling life. Thank you for watching this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Your comments, likes and shares are highly appreciated. See you soon in our next episode.